Hey everybody, I'm here today with a driving lesson on changing lanes in the snow. In just a few moments, I'll be heading on to a few main roads and I'm going to be showing you the process that I use and the precautions that I take for switching lanes or changing lanes safely in the snow. Now you'll see when I get on the main roads that it's a pretty heavy snowfall, and that's why I chose this opportunity to make this video, because it's going to give you a realistic situation for driving in heavy snow and tell you the bigger precautions to take. Alright, without further ado, let's get right to it. We're gonna head off over here. Now I'm gonna turn onto the main road in just a few moments, and then I'm actually gonna be making a left-hand turn onto another main road. So with this first main road, you'll see that it is snowy, okay? But it's not really heavy snow. And that's because there's been more traffic on this road. But on the next road that I'll be turning onto, you'll see that it gets really thick, the snow on the ground, and there are carved out pathways for the wheels of the car. So the first precaution, and I'll tell you about the tips now that we're about to be turning onto the road momentarily. The first precaution is that your vision when you're driving in the snow is going to be a little bit limited if it's snowing or raining or windy, or if there's snow blowing around. Whatever the case is, if you're driving in the snow, your vision is most likely going to be limited. So when you're changing lanes in the snow, you want to really check for cars, for traffic, for pedestrians, and so forth. You really want to check to make sure that it's safe to proceed before you actually change lanes. And also, you want to put your signal on for just a little bit longer than usual before changing lanes, so that the other traffic and pedestrians and everything else on the road will have an advance notice that you want to change lanes. So right now, I'm going to be turning onto the street, and you'll see right here that it gets pretty thick. So right now, there's still just a little bit of snow on the road, but right now you'll see, as I approach right up here, there is actually a carved out pathway for the tires, meaning my tires are driving on the road, but in between those tires is a big pile of snow, just as you can see up ahead right there. I know it's difficult to see because of the rear view mirror, but you can see right here. So when I switch lanes, this is the process. My right signal is going to go on for a few seconds, so everyone else around me can know that I'm ready to switch lanes. Now I'm checking my mirrors and my blind spot. I can see that it's safe to switch lanes. Now watch what I do to avoid sliding. I am maintaining speed as I switch lanes, not really accelerating or braking. And now I'm gonna just slightly turn the wheel. I'm cutting through the snow. And now that I'm on the other set of tracks right here, the other pathway, I'm accelerating a little bit again. So the key is, when you switch lanes in heavy snow like this, you can't accelerate or use rapid movements of the steering wheel, because what can happen is that can cause you to slide. Because look at the amount of snow that I'm going over when I switch lanes. Just look at the amount of snow. There is at least a couple inches, it looks like, of snow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch lanes to the left again, and then once more to the right. So now that there is a pathway right here, you can see I'm going to put my left signal on, check my mirrors, check my blind spot, watch the steering wheel, how smooth it is. Watch this, check this out. I'm cutting through the snow right now. Cutting through the snow, and now I'm in the other lane, in the other pathway, and I'm accelerating. Now what can happen if you accelerate too much when you're switching lanes? Then you can spin out, because your wheels will be trying to turn, and what can happen is, you can lose grip over these little pathways right over here. So you shouldn't be accelerating, and you also shouldn't really be braking when you change lanes, because it's just not proper practice. So try to maintain your speed as nicely as possible. We'll do this one more time. Right signal goes on, mirrors, blind spot, good to go. It's a little bit thinner of a snowbank right here. Smoothly cut through the snow. When I'm in the other pathway right here, I straighten out and I take my signal off. So the extra precautions that you should be taking are your visibility and people's visibility of you. So make sure that you're double checking and you're making sure that it's safe to proceed. Because right now it's not snowing, but if it was snowing heavily, then I would really have to make sure that it would be very safe to proceed before actually switching lanes. And also, you want to leave your signal on for, just an extra second or two or three to make sure that those around you know that you're ready to switch lanes and that you want to switch lanes. It gives everyone a chance to maybe, move out of your way or avoid accelerating to where you're going to be switching lanes to. I'm just going to turn onto the street right here to finish this video. And you want to make sure that when you cut through that snow, if you're driving in heavy snow like this, when you cut through that snow, that you're not accelerating, you're not braking, and you're not steering hard. Because what can happen if you steer hard, like I'm gonna make this turn right here and I'm gonna steer rapidly. What can happen is, if I steer rapidly, I'm not really gripping. As you can see, I'm sliding around. And if you can imagine, right now I'm on a side street, but if you can imagine doing that on a main road with traffic around you, it can get very dangerous very fast. So you really, really, really want to make sure that you are steering very slightly and smoothly. Everything's got to be nice and smooth and slight. You don't want to make any rapid movements. But that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over a driving lesson for changing lanes in the snow. I tried to pick an opportunity that gave you a realistic view of a good amount of snow on the ground, and I wanted to use this opportunity to make this video. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.